Today is November 25. Ano ba ngayon? November 5. 5 ba o 6? 2024. Katatapos ng ating project pinadrawing. Ayan siya. Tapos din. Sa dami ng ginagawa. Okay, ito na. Natapos na natin yung ating project. First step. Ito, perspective. Ito yung architectural sheet number 1. Ayan siya. Architectural sheet number 1. Tapos ito yung owner. Okay, project owner. Then the project title. Okay, and second sheet. Okay, ating second sheet. Okay, ating second sheet. Architectural 2. Ayan siya, which is the elevation. Ito. Ito yung ating elevation. Ayan siya. The front side, left side. Okay. And then the sectional views. And then ito ang ating ground floor plan. So as a whole, ito siya. Okay. Next. Okay, next is ito. Foundation plan. Ayan siya, and then the structural. Okay. Architectural sheet number 4. Structural sheet number 4. Ayan siya, okay. So, details of footings. Ayan. Ito nakalagay, Okay, next sheet natin ay ito. Okay, ito. Sheet, plumbing sheet number 5. Then, in detail niya, plumbing notes, catch basin, nandito yung P-trap detail, yung plumbing legend, yung mga ginamit, ayan siya. Okay, then isometric plumbing layout, ayan siya. Then, sa baba, yung ground floor, and second floor plumbing layout plus the septic tank. O yan, yung may-ari pa rin, Okay, next natin ay last, which is the electrical, then sheet number 4. O yan. So same with ayan, the electrical legend, start here. Ayan siya. The ground floor. So, inuna natin yung lighting, Ayan, lighting. Ground floor and second floor lighting. Inihiwalay natin yung power layout para hindi siya magulo at madaling intindihin. Then, of course, sasama yung riser diagram niya. Actually, this is only a residential houses, Sa ilang nakakaya nating gawin, Ayan siya yung legend. Ayan. That is the last sheet for a residential house. 2 story siya. Then, ito yung iba. Last natin. Okay? So, natapos na rin na yung pinagawa sa ating project.